Conversation.
Giving an identification. Good morning, Patrick. How do you feel?
I feel very well.
Patrick, where are you from?
I'm from Africa.
In which part of the continent do you live? What's your nationality?
I'm a Rwandan. I live in East Africa.
What's the weather mostly like in your country?
In Rwanda, the weather is generally nice.
It's hot and cold. Dear Patrick, tell me, how old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Are you married or single?
I'm married.
How many children do you have?
I have 3 children, a son and 2 daughters.
How is your family today?
It is very good.
What languages do you speak?
I speak Kinyarwanda, Swahili, and English.
Do you also speak Chinese?
No, I don't speak Chinese, but I speak a little French.
Now, what's your profession? Where do you work?
I'm a teacher. I work for teleeducation company.
Please, give me your address and your phone number. I need them.
Do you plan to visit my country?
Yes, I plan to come to Rwanda next year.
Thank you. I'm going to the hotel.
You are welcome. Have a good journey.